Today, we're here to talk about a really cool project that we just completed in Tampa. This was a residential new construction with a custom home builder, where we installed several different roofing systems to create a beautiful, elegant, and sophisticated finished product. I'm going to walk through all of the details, including the many different types of roofing we offer, the different styles available, and how bundling multiple services can create a truly unique project. By having one contractor handle everything turnkey, you can streamline the process and ultimately have a better overall experience. So starting with the main roof covering, one of the standout features of this home is what we call a flat tile roof. It's an eagle tile in a Bermuda-style finish, and it's unique because it was actually the first one that we completed using this method. And as you may notice, there is no traditional hip and ridge tiles. In standard tile roofing, tiles are typically cut along the hips and ridges, then finished with mortar set ridge caps in various styles. However, in this design, we installed the roof more like a tile flooring inside of a home. We established a precise control line down the center and carefully cut and place each tile so the geometry aligns perfectly across the entire roof. This allows the tile to flow continuously around the structure, creating a clean, seamless, and highly sophisticated look. Some of the other notable details include copper standing seam sections, as well as copper valleys, drip edges, and flashings. Every component of the roof was designed to be a lifetime solution, and as you'll see throughout the video, all metal and fasteners are either stainless steel or copper, ensuring long-term durability. By utilizing our custom sheet metal shop, we were able to design and fabricate every detail of this roof, creating a cohesive and seamless system that contributes to its overall beauty. Another roofing system featured on this home is a flat roof. Typically, residential flat roofs are constructed using modified bitumen or other asphalt-based systems, which may not be as visually appealing. For this project, to match the modern design, we installed a TPO single-ply roof system. It was fully adhered for maximum wind resistance and provides a clean, white, energy-efficient finish. To complete the project, we focused on the finishing touches. We installed a copper half-round gutter system with 4-inch round copper downspouts throughout the home, along with custom ornamental collector heads that tie into underground drainage. From the very top of the roof down to how the water exits the system, everything was fabricated, sourced, and installed by Arry's Roofing.